In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a power steering pressure switch on a Honda Accord. If you need any parts, check us out at oneauto.com. Now let's follow that power steering pressure line along the backside of the engine. Now along the backside here is where you're going to find your power steering pressure switch. Let's start by disconnecting that switch. On the electrical connector, you'll find that there's a small squeeze tab to unlock it. Squeeze in the tab, unlock it, and separate the wiring harness from the switch. We'll give the wiring harness a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming that looks okay, you can set that wiring harness aside. Now we can start unbolting the power steering switch from the steering line. To do that, we'll hold on to the squared out part of the line with a 17mm wrench. Continue on with a thin 19mm wrench to loosen the sensor. Let's break this free. There we are. Let's reinstall that steering pressure sensor. As always, we're starting it by hand. Now we'll tighten that sensor, making sure we're holding the line still, 17mm, and tighten the sensor with a 19mm. There we are, that's nice and tight. Let's reconnect the wiring harness, press it in, listen for a click. There's a nice click. Give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Okay friend, the car's back together. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell so you can be kept up with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.